sits a box, and in that box is a creeper for me to sit on, roll around on. A little bit different style than probably what you're used to seeing. So anyway, that was an Amazon. Connie's going to take it apart, and she's going to put it together, and I'll try and film some of it as she goes along. I've got other work to do over here on the Yukon. I'm not sure, but I might be able to get to the front brakes today. All this preliminary stuff before I can even start it up. But anyway, there's the box. Pretty soon it'll look. She's going to sort out all the parts and make sure they're there or not there. And I'll get back to you when I see what we got. Okay, here's all the pieces and parts. Whether or not they're all there, I don't know. But we're going to find out. So she's going to continue on here. And maybe we'll get lucky and not have any snags. So how are the instructions on this?
Not too bad.
Okay, you're putting together the seat now?
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty.
Not sure.
Well, I'll leave you alone.
Okay.
Seem to be making a little more progress over there. Slow but steady. You realize if you don't get that thing together over there, they're not going to accept you in the Mars mission. This is a test for the Mars mission.
Well, then in that case, I hope I fail. I don't want to go to Mars.
Things are happening over here. Some of the essential tools are laid out. Looks like they gave you a little wrench. Okay. Anyway, it's looking pretty good. I have no idea what's going on with it. There we go. I have no idea. Doing now?
Finishing up, I just got these 3 bolts to tighten.
Are you going to try it first? In case it breaks, I won't hurt myself.
Well, I don't want you to hurt yourself. So yes. I think I better tighten those down though too.
Okay.
But I've got it. It's assembled right now.
How was it? Did the instructions work out for
The
you?
instructions are pretty good, except when on the parts list,
Yeah.
it was talking about having 5 end caps, and they're already attached. So there was nothing. I thought it was missing parts, but I wasn't.
Okay.
It's these pieces right here.
They're already
They're
on there.
already attached to it. So
The rollers look like they're substantial.
yeah.
Sort of a neoprene looks like, right? Yeah, it moves around pretty good.
You can use it as a step stool. But
Oh,
that's
like
a pretty
that?
high step. Yeah, that's what it says. It's
That is a
step
high
stool.
step.
But,
You need a step stool to step on.
Exactly. Anyway,
Or maybe you can use that seat as a, I don't know.
let's see if it can hold my fat fanny. Oh, yeah. You gotta watch out for rocks.
Watch out for ridges too.
Ridges and rocks.
Are any of those wheels locking wheels?
I don't think so. Didn't say that. No.
Oh, that's too bad.
Yeah.
If they'd have had some locking wheels, it'd keep from moving out on you.
Mm-hmm. So you have to be careful because
Yeah.
it does roll pretty easily.
All right.
But,
All right.
like I said, it's got a comfy seat.
Oh, careful.
Here.
You get a ridge.
And it came with a little tool.
Oh,
And I
that's
did
nice.
use it, but
All right, a hobbit tool.
I had a 10 millimeter, and I think it was what was the other one? A 13
Yep,
is
that's
what I used. And then a Phillips screwdriver.
and it went right together, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Well, we'll give it a try in a minute because I want to look at the brakes.
All right, well, you do
Front
that, and
pads.
I'm going to finish putting together. I want to double check all my bolts, make sure they're good and snug.
Okay, sounds good. So there's a short-lived video on this one. I'm going to probably have to come back. I'm going to get some replacement caliper pin bolts, and I'll either weld something to that and try and get it out, or I'll just take a chisel and chisel around it and maybe break it loose. But 38 foot-pounds, I don't believe it. I'm going to find out what they are, but I don't believe they're at 38. If they're at 38, then they're frozen on there. Anyway, this works out pretty well. Rolls around good. And I had no trouble. I literally put my camera down here at the bottom and worked pretty good for me. Only bad thing that happened today was that stupid bolt. Anyway, hope all your repairs go better than mine did today. Can They Drive Garage, Steve AZ711 saying bye for now.